Get ready with me to go to church. So today is one of my happiest days. My sister just made me an auntie for the second time. Like my eyes. I don't even do lashes, so why am I looking naked? One sec. So I want to line my eyes, but I can't line it on camera. So hold up. So I'm done with that. I don't know who is as weird as I am that I'm going to line everything on my face, but I won't line my brow. I feel like because I'm just going to church, I don't need to line it. So, yeah, I'll leave it like that. I need somebody to come help me do this one. Wedding band. Wristwatch from chain. My gold bracelets on that hand because the wristwatch is tiny. And then this, my gold bracelet also. I like removing these gold bracelets because I don't know. I don't want to hear that I cut it and I'm going to look for a bracelet to do it. I'm not supposed to be removing it. I have to remove it. My rings. Remember I got this watch. Yes. Hi to them. Hi. Say hi to them. Hi. Where's Jaden? Jaden? I don't know now. This is ice on the cake. Hey, mommy, go. Just go and sit down quietly. So this is what I look. The biggest masquerade in town. This is how I look. Mommy, I want everybody to go and sit down. And if you don't sit, I'm going to remove your clothes. You're not going to church. Go and sit. Fast. Go and sit. Content with my kids. It's not easy. I'm not ready for too much ceremony. So this wig is the only wig that I can just root out and just wear without too much styling. Just first, where's my cover? This children have collected the cover of my perfume. For scent of the day, I'm using this. This is no, it's mine. So nobody should tell me how to spray it because it's my scent of the day. This is from Decibella. It is a beauty sitting in a bottle. Yeah, patronize her. Decibella. So that is an oil perfume. So I just rub it like that. See, this bag should be the best thing. This one. Or this. This is for this. This goes with this. But this one goes with this. Tumbo. This one. This is good. Stop running. Come show them yourself. So this is my number one, my number two, number three, and the ice and the cake. Blow them a kiss. Bye. See you later. Let's go.